What's up? Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1979 Trans Am. This car here has a 350 under the hood. It's the 0010 common 350, power steering. Looks like our AC is all hooked up. We'll be trying all that stuff out throughout the test drive video, and then I'm going to do a walk around video, point out any kind of flaws on the paint. This one needs paint. It does have dents and scratches and chips, but it also does have front disc brakes, drums in the rear, and a good price point. If you look at the other Trans Am that I posted with good paint, it's 20 grand. Check out maplemotors.com to see all the other cars that we have. You can also see the shipping, the finance options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And if you like this video, check out all the videos here on YouTube. We've got close to 2,000. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, I'm going to check out the interior in this one. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We always do that on the channel, and I guess we'll start doing smells. A lot of people started messaging and going, hey, tell us how it smells. Well, this one doesn't smell like it's old. It smells like cherry pie. I don't know, there must be some kind of cherry scent in here. It's very strong, it smells good. Go ahead and start it up. If you look on the dash here, our bolt's coming up, the gas gauge is up to a quarter tank. Oil pressure is showing pretty good. Engine temperature is up. Look, our turn signals are popping up. Had you all sideways for a second, you know. Life's like that sometimes. There's the mileage. Not the original motor. Can't stand behind the mileage. The tack is working and coming up. Go ahead and try our windshield wipers. They're working good. Look pretty much new on those. We do have the face to the radio in the office. It's a newer style radio. Let's try our AC. We're not getting anything. The blower motor's not working. It's gonna need a little bit of work. You've seen a lot of that stuff was still up under the hood, so. Oh, I said it wasn't working. Look at it, it took off. We got it blowing now. Let's see if we can get the AC to cut on though. It's not pulling down on the motor. Our compressor is not kicking on. It's still gonna need some work, but our blower motor is working now. All right. Horn time, you ready? Sounds like it's working. Let's take off. All right. Oh, come on. There it goes. We're missing the little clip that goes on the side of the seat that holds your seatbelt. You gotta put it under your arm, otherwise it's gonna bother you. Rub your neck raw there. Starts up nice and easy. I noticed the little button here is kind of loose. You can pull all this off. Needs to be tightened down. That's still sitting down on there. It's got a nice little emblem in the middle of it. See if I can put it back on there while we're waiting on traffic. There we are. What I like to do is point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. I'm also going to do a walk around video of this car halfway through the test drive. It'll be a two-part video and I'll link them up at the end. So as we're taking off here, the speedo's coming up. It doesn't look quite accurate at all. It says we're going 10 miles an hour. We're running about 30 now. The car is kind of drifting to the right, just very slowly. See it pulling me off the road. Nothing bad there. Try the brakes out. The brakes are great. They're feeling good. I do not believe the kick down is hooked up on this one. Motor doesn't feel bad at all. We got to get around some of this traffic so that I can get on it. needs to be hooked up so you can really get into it. It's not shifting down is what I'm saying. Steering's nice and tight. Doesn't feel too bad at all. The suspension's nice and smooth. Got a good ride. We'll pull in this parking lot here. I'm going to get some outside shots. Go ahead and check below. You can see all the gear that I use to make this video. I'll put Amazon links to everything that I use just right below in the description. We're also going to do the walk around video over here, and that's what I'm going to do next. Let's get these shots. Here we go. So everything seems to be pretty good. Oil pressure still at about, I don't know, 50 or 60. Engine temperature is like 210. Rolling out of here. Going back to our original route where it cuts behind the car a lot. responses. Pinpoint there. I mean, as soon as I hit it, takes all the gas, no hesitation. This is the road with a speed bump in it, and we've got an open road here, so I'll go ahead and shift it down into low since our kickdown's not hooked up, and we'll just hit it. There's a speed bump coming up right here. Nice and smooth on the speed bump. The turn signal is cutting on, but it's also automatically kicking off. So that switch is hooked up. And we're gonna pull back in the lot here. I'm gonna try to grab one more car today and keep these videos rolling for you. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. Hey, if you don't mind, check out the walk around videos that I did during the test drive. Also check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. We also finance and ship these vehicles all over the country. If you have any other questions, give me a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab another car. We're gonna take off down the road and keep these rolling. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and please share these videos. It helps us out greatly. Thank y'all. Later.